Welcome back, everyone. In this video, I'm going to be teaching about Microsoft Azure and how to create an automation account and give that automation account a managed identity, and then give that managed identity permissions to the Microsoft Graph. Let's get started. First thing we're going to do is come here to Microsoft Azure, and we're going to look for automation accounts. When you click on automation accounts, click on create. The resource group I'm going to use is training. The name of our automation account is going to be called Training Runbook. Click on Review and Create, and then select Create. You will see this prompt says that this deployment is in process. Once the deployment is complete, you can click on Go to Resource, and now we are in the Training Runbook automation account. And inside the resource, we're going to click on Identity. In Identity, we're going to select On. I'm going to click on Save. Basically, this is going to enable your managed identity for your automation. Take note of your principal ID, as you will need that later. After the managed identity has been created, we go back to the home page and we visit the Azure Active Directory. From the Azure Active Directory, you're going to need your tenant ID. Make a copy of that, paste it on a notepad somewhere. From there, let's go over to Enterprise Applications. In Enterprise Applications, clear this first filter that says Enterprise Applications. And remember that ID that we copied from the automation account, paste it here into search. And now you see Training Runbook is there. Next thing we want to go to is go to Permissions. And you'll notice that we have no permissions here. What we need to do to assign it permissions to the Microsoft Graph is run a script. This will be found in my GitHub. Please give it a star if it helps you out. Let's go and to the code. We copy our tenant ID that we got from Azure Active Directory. Paste your previously saved managed identity object ID. Inside PowerShell, before I go into the specifics of this script, you must know that you do have to have the Azure CLI installed. You also have to have Microsoft Graph module installed. I won't be creating videos on that because those things change, and at the time of the video, those installation methods may not be available anymore. So I will skip that, but I do want you to know that you will need to have those installed so that you can follow this process. So let's go ahead and run the script. A quick note while we wait for that, if this helps you out in any way, give this video a like. When the script completes, you'll be seeing an object with all of the different properties that were passed to it. So now if we go back to our permissions and we click on the refresh button, you'll now see that you have the users read all and the calendar read write. That's going to do it for this video. I'd like to thank you for coding with me today, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, give it a like. If you think someone else can benefit from it, please share it. If you have any questions, please post it in the comments and subscribe. It's free for you, and it really helps me out. Finally, if you can, go ahead and click on that bell icon to get notified when the next video is added.